Isaac.
Wow, with a quick attack. 8-all. Coco Wang serving for Meralco.
Ruby De Leon against Penetrante. Not a good idea. Gretchen Soltones. And there is a whistle at the net. Yes, Penetrante matatawagan ng net violation. Gretchen Soltones once again. Ito na yung kanyang jump serve. Kabang! Dug up there by Morada. Jose, quick set to Penetrante. Kept alive by Melissa Gohing. And a free ball from Sue Roses. April Jose, quick set to Penetrante once again. That time blocked by Charo Soriano. Paneng Mercado. Soltones keeping it alive. Eto ngayon si Banatikla. Tinulak na lamang. Binuhay ni Jen Reyes. Eto si Charo. Andyan na naman si Jen Reyes. Mercado. Banatikla. De Leon. Galing sa likuran. Soltones. Pumatay ng langaw sa net. Jose. Gohing. De Leon. Running attack. Charo Soriano. Buhay na buhay pa rin. Yung patented move ni Charo Soriano, naglalaro pa siya sa atin ngayon. Yung kanyang running attack. Hinabol yun ni Phil Kainglet. Free ball coming up from Paneng Mercado. Again, another sky ball given up. Tatama na yung scoreboard niya. Nagamamaya. Running attack. Sue Roses. Binuhay ni Morada. And April Jose, lapit niya sa net. Nako, hindi na nakitawid. Nagbanggaan pa sila ni Jen Reyes eh. So now, De Leon. Kainglet. Jose. Mercado. Eto ngayon si De Leon. Back set ngayon for Sue Roses. Kept alive. Jen Reyes will give up the free ball. It's a short one. Combination. Banatikla. Nice block by Morada. Back set. Roses. Reyes. Eto na naman yung mga long rally natin. Makaila. Iris Morada. Di pa rin nagawa. At tinawid na lang ni Roses. Jose. Penetrante. Setting violation against April Jose.
Now, these errors really causing Meralco. Hindi naman nalalayo ang score ng Smart. Pero kanina kita naman natin how Meralco was in full control. Baka diesel lang din itong Smart.
Well, titignan natin yun. Pero if Meralco had not committed those errors, at balik ang error dito naman kay Ruby De Leon, had not committed those errors, baka sila pa yung may kalamangan ngayon. So, Paneng Mercado now to serve. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Of course, gained prominence dito sa liga natin kasi nung nalaman ng tao, anak siya ni Lydia De Vega. Aba, sinasabi nila, magaling na atleta to and she has proven that through the years. De Leon, combination. Maruba na Tikla, another great block coming from Morada. Back set ngayon, Sue Roses ni Lusot kay Kainglet. Dati magkakampi rin yan sa Ateneo. Nag-guest player si Suzanne Roses doon.
Kaya alam nila ang laro ng bawat isa.
So ito mga maliliit na lang na adjustments ang kailangan gawin na magkabilang kupunan since magkakilala na sila. Soriano, Mercado, Jose, Morada nahanap ang linya at nanghina si Charo doon.
Right now itong si Morada really bringing in the points.
Slow mo natin, and brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. So, ito mo naman yung tirang yun. It won't let you down. Just like that shot. And
Morada won't let him down.
And just like Andre Mulla mamaya pag kumain na tayo ng dinner. Ito ngayon ang back set para kay Maruba na Tikla. Nice reflex action but no third ball coming. Coco Wang tried to keep it alive.
Right now, maganda rin ang rotation ng Smart Maynilad with Roses and Soltones in the front line. Dahil silang dalawa actually yung top scorers ng Smart Maynilad with 9 and 6 points.
Coco Wang wants to join that group para naman din sa kupunan ng Meralco as leading scorers. So may kita natin si Coco Wang, medyo malamya pa yung power niya rito. Setting change ang mangyayari dito. Carla Bello will come into the game. Papalitan nito si Maika Morada and Ate Ivy. The substitution is disallowed. Isa lang daw. Ala, dalawa setter ngayon ng Meralco. Soltones, Reyes, Kainglet out of position. Again, another sky ball. Talaga si Kainglet may galit yata sa scoreboard dito. A joust won by Roses. Against Kainglet na naman. GTN na naman silang dalawa.
Sabi niya, ate naman, kuya naman.
Kanina ka pa. And finally, Ivy is allowed to enter the game. Papalitan nito si April Jose. Nice serve, Reyes. Carla Bello and Coco Wang again. Inaabangan kasi nitong Smart yung malakas na palo ni Coco Wang. Up to now, puro dinks lang at saka mga power tip ang pinapakita.
At makikita rin naman natin, ano, kaya puro dink at tips yung nagagawa niyo. Nag-a-adjust siya in terms of timing and height.
Well, let's see kung si Carla Bello yung mas papaboran niyang setter dito. As that serve by Kainglet is fielded by Smart and hindi na naitawid ni Soltones. So tabla tayo ngayon, 15-all. Dikitan po dito sa ating second set sa labanan ng dalawang koponan na wala pang talo dito sa ating open conference na Shakey's V-League. So Phil Kainglet. Guliman, binuhay. Tinawid ni Roses. Reyes. Bello. Oy, kinalmot ni Coco Wang yung bola. Tira naman papuntang zone 1 itong si Ruby De Leon. Panay Mercado, pinadaan sa net, binuhay ni Roses, and Nika Guliman puts it away.
Dinaan sa bilis ng Smart.
At dinaan sa haba ng galamay ng 6'1" na si Nika Guliman, lamang po Smart Maynilad ng isa.